Hi, I'm Brandon with Vivo, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make sure the latches on your cotton candy machine are fully engaged and why it's very important for them to be engaged. When you first remove the machine from the box, the bowl will be separated from the machine. If you try to power on the machine before mounting the bowl, you'll notice that it doesn't turn on. This isn't a problem, this is just a built-in safety feature. In order for the machine to operate, the bowl has to be in place and latched down. This is because one of the latches has a safety switch built in underneath. This safety switch can't be pressed unless the bowl is in place to provide tension on the latch. You may also notice that unlike the other three latches, this latch has no spring in it. This is to prevent it from engaging the safety switch without the bowl in place, so this is normal. When this is pressed and has tension on it, the machine will be able to turn on. To properly mount the bowl to the machine, you'll notice that there are 4 hooks on the bottom of the bowl. Align these hooks with the 4 latches on the machine. Loop these over the hooks, and then pull the latches down to secure it. With the latches all engaged, the bowl is now secured to the machine and the safety switch is being pressed, allowing the machine to be powered on for operation. If for some reason the machine doesn't turn on when all of the latches are engaged, it's possible that the safety switch has been bent inside a little bit, and this is very easily fixed. If you don't hear a click from the switch when this latch is pushed in, then lift up the latch and using a screwdriver, carefully bend the switch out from the machine until you can get a good click from that switch when the latch is pressed. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact our customer support team for assistance. Thank you for watching.